This topic is note. I'm going to add a note to looking for our new product lead. Double-click to open this lead. As you see, on the top of window, some entity including Add tab. Click on the Add tab. Then you will see the Add Note button. Click on the Add Note button. Note windows will open. Simply fill in the topic and description about this note. If you need a touch file, use this button to browse the file. Then, click on Attach button to upload the file to the CRM. And then click on Save and Close. And then click on the Notes and Activity hyperlink to quickly go to this section and drag down the browser to the Notes section. Here is the note that I just created. Then you can right-click the attached file. A new menu will appear. This is an open option for view or edit the note. You can view this note again. If you click on the attached file, it saves a copy of the attached file with the new name. If you want to delete this note, use this button. Now we know how to edit notes. Next topic is activities. Activities is using for create item with record. That is relate to various activities type and describe the detail. For quickly find the activity that associate with the current data, by expanding the command and click on Activities in the navigation pane. Activities are different from other regular record types. Activity usually established by personnel for recording the individual work. Also, to view the other personnel who has been working on it of activities is available. The activity can be completed by close, cancelled, or to another user. Now I'm going to add a new activities. Click on Add New Activity button of Ringgong. And you will see the type of activities are task, based, phone call, email, letter, appointment, service activity, campaign response, recurring appointment, and visit report. And here's my sample. Make a phone call activities. Simply fill in the subject. For myself. If you need to describe this subject, you can fill in the description here. And then you can set this phone call priority for yourself. Hi. And set the during 30 minutes and when is the due date. And save. Then you will see the activity that I just created will be listed in the activity view. When I complete these activities, just need double click here and use the mark completed button. This activity will change to Closed Activities view. Or you can use the hyperlink Closed Activity to quickly find the closed list. And another popular activity is using for email. And as you see, some fields will be auto-populated with the current lead data, such as from and to and regarding. And simply type the subject. And then you can set priority. The duration means the estimated time it will be take for the task to be completed. And if you need to attach any file, you can use this attachment. Before you edit the attachment file, you need to first this record first. Upload the file and click Close. Then you can send this email. After you send this email, you will see this activity status will change to completed. Now we are clear the activities.